How to make acrylic colors using watercolors. Firstly, we will take talcum powder, okay, depending on the quantity of acrylic colors you need to make. Then you're going to add a white based glue. So here I have taken Fevicol. You all can take any other brand. And then to that I will keep adding a teaspoon of water and mixing. Now remember, the consistency should be paste like, not runny. In case if it's runny, then please add more glue and more talcum powder. And then all you have to do is keep stirring it well in this way. Thereafter, I'm going to add it in the containers that I have. So the one which is more is actually for white color, else you will fill the containers till 3/4 because the remaining will be the color that you will be mixing. The first color will be red. So I will be mixing two shades in this. One is orange and one is red to get the kind of color that I want. Now before you could end up this procedure and close up, I would advise you all to please do a test on a paper if the color is exactly what you want it to be. Then next is yellow that I have added. Then green, again green I have done two colors mixing, dark and light, to get this shade. After that blue, white will remain as it is, and then finally I will be making black. So my black shade is dark because I have used dark blue as well as black as a mix. Once my colors are ready, it's time to test my water and acrylic colors to show you all the difference. So here I have taken the tube of watercolor and I'm just going to paint it directly in this way using the brush. And on the other side I am going to take the acrylic one I made using watercolor, and then finally it gives a smooth finish, by the way, with the acrylic paint that is made. Leave it to dry for a bit and then let me show you the test. So here I am going to add drops of water and make it run down the paper to show you how the color leaves from that particular shade. So it's time for the watercolor, and do you see the blot that is running down is actually soaked with blue color. Now it's time for our acrylic color side. So here also it's filled with water, and check out the water. See, the blot is not fully drained with blue color. It's a light blue color, which means our acrylic color is successful. So friends, if y'all found this hack useful, then please do share it with someone whom you know loves painting, or children who have watercolor. They can make these kind of acrylic colors at home. And for such interesting hacks, do not forget to subscribe to my channel Tip Lab. I'll see you next time.